Based on a recent 2025-2026 housing survey, here were some of the top features buyers were looking for in their evaluation of a home. In the past few years, technology went from being an optional upgrade to one buyers expect. Buyers were looking for homes that were plug and play when it comes to smart features. One of the fastest growing trends were EV charging stations. As more households switch to electric vehicles, homes equipped with these features instantly stand out to tech-savvy home buyers who are looking for long-term convenience. Number 2, flexible living spaces. The rise of hybrid and remote work continues to reshape the way we think about space. Buyers are not just looking for a single-use home office anymore. They want rooms that can shift with their needs. A guest bedroom that doubles as a home gym, a finished basement designed for both work and play, or a bonus room that can evolve with a growing family. For sellers, showcasing how spaces can adapt rather than serve only one function is a huge advantage. Number 3, energy efficiency and sustainability. Sustainability is no longer a niche interest, it's mainstream. Buyers are paying close attention to how a home's features can reduce both environmental impact and monthly expenses. Number 4, outdoor living and wellness features. In today's market, outdoor living is just as important as indoor design. Buyers want spaces where they can relax, entertain, and prioritize wellness. Covered patios, outdoor kitchens, and fire pits are in high demand, creating seamless indoor and outdoor experiences. Meanwhile, pools, spas, meditation gardens, and even backyard yoga spaces are drawing attention from buyers who prioritize wellness and relaxation. Sellers who prioritize these features are tapping into one of the most powerful lifestyle trends of the decade. Number 5, modern kitchens and bathrooms. This is one that has been at the top of the list for years. While trends come and go, kitchens and bathrooms remain the heart of the final decision making. In today's day and age, demand for clean, modern designs paired with practical function remain key. Countertops, walk-in pantries, oversized islands, and energy-efficient appliances are topping the kitchen wish list. Bathrooms are trending towards spa-inspired retreats with walk-in showers, freestanding tubs, heated floors, and ample storage. These spaces remain the best investment for sellers because they consistently deliver the strongest return. If you're planning to sell your home soon, aligning your renovations with priorities of today's buyers can give you a competitive edge. If you're considering selling and doing renovations before to maximize your profit, contact me so we can discuss which ones will give you the biggest return. Thanks for watching.